How to fix MacBook won't turn on issue. If you're having this issue, then to solve it, we have 3 solutions that you can try. The first one is check your brightness. Make sure that your brightness is not too low. Simply increase your brightness by hitting the F2 button on your MacBook. Then your brightness will be increased. If this doesn't solve, then use external monitor. Try using the external monitor and check if it opens over there or not. Once you check that, if it opens in the external monitor, then you have problem in your MacBook monitor. So for that, you have to take your MacBook to nearest repairing center. This is the only thing you can do to repair your MacBook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.